How to see how many hours you've played a Roblox game. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can check your playtime for any Roblox game. First of all, you need to go to Chrome extensions and in the search bar, simply type in RoPro extension. Simply go ahead and add or install it to your Chrome web browser. And once it has been added, simply go ahead and refresh your Roblox page. There you will see the option of verify in the top right corner. Simply tap on it and verify your account. To verify, you need to open your Roblox game client and this will take you to a Roblox game. And in the game, you need to click on generate verification code, copy the code and paste it in the box and your RoPro website will be verified. As my verification is already done, I can use all the features of this extension. And after successful verification, you need to go to the RoPro logo. Under all these options over here, make sure that the option of experience playtime tracking is enabled. And now you can go to any Roblox game and see your playtime displayed next to the game's thumbnail. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.